Today is my prep day. Ivy's birthday party is on Saturday, and I am going to be baking chocolate chip cookies, oatmeal cookies, and still doing the pretzel sticks. But today I'm making the chocolate chip cookie dough and the oatmeal cookie dough, and I'm actually going to put it in the fridge for 24 hours because it makes it softer when you cook it and it makes it last a little bit longer. So tomorrow will be my baking day. Today is my prepping day. I'm also going to be cutting up all the fruit and washing all the fruit. And we actually got down here, we got watermelon, honeydew, and cantaloupe, and I'm going to be balling those. So today is just a full-on prepping day, getting things ready to go, and I'm ready for it. So I'm going to start with the cookies and then move on to the fruit. So let's go ahead, grab all the ingredients for the cookies, and start making the cookie dough. So the recipe, if you were to make them into bigger balls of dough, you would get around 26 cookies. I made them smaller, so I got around 40, and this is the whole container of the chocolate chips. So now I'm going to work on the oatmeal. So I've had a lot on my mind and totally forgot to film any of me prepping these into balls, but I was able to get 20 and this tiny one to make 21. Not as much as the other one, but that's okay. I am not making any more of it. That what I made is what I made. So Ivy is awake right now, so I'm going to clean up everything, hang out with her, feed her some lunch, and then later on tonight I will prep the fruit once Ken gets home. So I will talk to you guys later on tonight.